Here is my off-the-grid washing machine. I do not like the ones they sell, so I'll make my own. 2 barrels, cut on a stand, conduit, a hub, a couple hubs. I think you can see it. Throw that baby in there. Flip it. Agitate. I've got a big sweatshirt blanket in here, jeans. Spin it, soak it, spin it, agitate it. Clothes come out clean. As you can see, here's what I have in here. Sweatpants, towel, the only thing is when I spin it, it needs to be better secured to the ground because it wants to take off on me. But anyways, it's working wonderfully. I hang everything on the line, give it a quick hosing off to rinse off the soap. I'll drain the tub, add one more fill. You're not filling it all the way, not even halfway. I'll fill it up again and do a final rinse. Hang on the line. I don't use my dryer. It also takes off the hair much better than anything you can buy. Probably cost me, the barrels themselves were $50. I used quite a bit of things that I had myself. I had to buy a 2x4 and some of the conduit pieces. I had to order some online. But all in all, I think it's going to end up being under $100. And it works great. You could probably even hook it up, put a sprocket on there and hook it up to a bike. And like I said, just secure it, because when you spin your clothes, it spins really, really fast. But it wants to take off and it moves. So it needs to be secured for spinning really well. Other than that, it works great. Thank you, Papa Prepper.